Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot use any network related apps like browser or Google Play Store or YouTube on your Motorola Moto X40. And to do this, first let's try to find what's the problem. And here, if we open a Google Play Store and try to download something like, for example, this game, it's stuck in a pending mode and won't begin the actual installation process. We can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. And here I have YouTube opened, but if we refresh or try to go to another page, there's this problem. To fix both of them, we'll need to enter our settings, then scroll all the way down to find System. Here select Date and Time and turn on Set Time Automatically. If you go back to your browser and try to refresh already existing page or try to reach new one, it works fine. And the Google Play Store, here we can install game and it will begin the download normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.